All right, welcome. Today I'm going to discuss my experience on publishing audiobooks on Amazon KDP so far. All right. If you don't know, Amazon KDP allows publishers to now publish their audiobooks, all right, to publish audiobooks through their platforms, okay? Using what they call virtual voice. That's AI voice. You select AI voice you want to use to narrate your book, and it does that for you, and they ship it to Audible to sell. People see the book on Amazon and on Audible too. So it's a plus. So if you are still contemplating if you qualify for that, whether to do that, I want to tell you that it's a good experience. Do it. All right. When I saw that option on my account first time, I think it was early this year, be end of last year. I think it was towards early this year. I was like, is this necessary? I don't think people would like the kind of book I create in audiobook form. All right, in audio form. But I said, let me give it a try. Hmm. Lo and behold, I gave this a try, and I would tell you that it's positive. Sometimes we feel that something is not needed until we try it. We see that that is needed. Before now, I was thinking there is no need for this. But as I did that, I understood that this is good. Okay, let me tell you for example. Only last month alone, all right, the highest earning on my account was paper, all right. Then after paper is audiobooks. To tell you how serious it is. And the difference, the gap between the two is not even up to 10%. Then before you talk about Kindle, which is the ebook version of the book, all right, of the books. So if you are given that opportunity to enroll your book in audiobook, all right, as audiobook, please don't think twice before you do that, because that will change your revenue. My revenue increase by 30 to 40% because I enrolled my book in audiobooks. All right, it's a plus, it's another advantage, it's another reality. All right, so that's why I want to share my experience to you here. Then we will get to number two basic thing that happened. All right, another thing that audiobook publishing through Amazon KDP did to me or have done to me is that it made some of my dead book come back to life. Yes. Let me give you practical experience. I'm not here to lie to you. There was a book I published sometime in the year 2022. Yes. When I lost my wife, okay, my first wife, that was an that's to that book, overthinking and overthinking and stress management or something like that, because I was overthinking them. So I pushed that book on Amazon through Amazon KDP, and that book, when was published, since that time didn't even make up to $1. I wouldn't lie to you, because that's not what I really write. I major in tech, but because of the situation, what I was passing through at that point in time, I decided to write a book on overthinking and stress management. I was like, no problem, let it be there. Now, when Amazon gave me this opportunity to enroll that book, to enroll my books in audiobook, I enrolled that. When I got to that book, I was like, this book that I'm not be performing well, is that need for me to do that? But I did that. All right. And that book picked up. Now it has made up to $7. Something that stayed since 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. In 4 years, it didn't make money. But as I now enrolled it on this audiobook option, Amazon gave it more visibility, right? Started giving it more visibility. And since that time, things started picking up. I know a lot of my book on blacksmithing. It wasn't doing anything before, but you see them bringing me royalties, even with just the pages read. the pages listened to, and those orders, those copies ordered, you see, the sales started coming up, started increasing. So I will advise you, if you are given that opportunity, please enroll your books. Don't just say I don't want to. Enrolling them makes Amazon and Audible to give it another chance for people to see it. It's like publishing a fresh book and they give it another chance. Maybe people that are interested in that type of title are many now on Amazon, and you will make your money. So that's my take for today. It has increased my royalty to some extent. And this have taught me a lesson that I shouldn't ignore every opportunity given by Amazon. Any opportunity given by that company, please take it. Amazon KDP, just take it. Tomorrow, sometime next year, I'm planning of enrolling my books in another language because I've been hearing that before it will increase your royalty and so many, but I didn't pay attention. All right, I've not been paying attention. But as from next year, I'm going to do that. Let me see how it will work out for me. So that's my take. It will increase your money, it will give your book more visibility, and it will help you to earn more, no matter how small, even if it's additional $20 or 40, it's a plus.